New gear selector and indicator stalk. The new gear selector is conveniently placed right behind the steering wheel. To select drive, turn the selector away from you. For the sport mode of the gearbox, turn it away once more. When you need to reverse, simply turn the selector towards you. Here you go. The parking gear can be selected by using a button at the end of the gear selector. Instead of the right side, the wiper controls are now located on the left. Use the toggle on the stalk to set wipers to auto, or manually set them to low or high speed. Another toggle on the top of the stalk activates the rear wiper and washer. To wash your front windscreen, fully push the button on the end of the stalk. For a quick wipe, push slightly. Now you can control many important functions using just 2 stalks.